Hello everyone, welcome to Solve this very nice square root math simplification problem. We need to find the square root of 96 times 97 times 98 times 90 plus 1. This expression can be rewritten as square root of 96 times this 97 can be written as 96 plus 1 times this 98 can be written as 96 plus 2 times this 99 can be written as 96 plus 3 plus this 1. Now here we have 96, here we have 96, here we have 96, and here we have 96. So we suppose that let x is equal to 96. So we replace every 96 with x, then this expression will become square root of x times x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 plus 1. Next, square root of, now we write this x with x plus 3, and we write this x plus 1 with x plus 2, like this: x times x plus 3 times x plus 1 times x plus 2 plus 1. Next, square root of, now we multiply these two terms, x times x will become x squared, and x times plus 3 will become plus 3 times x, times we multiply these two terms, x times x, x squared, x times plus 2 plus 2 times x, and 1 time x plus x, and 1 time 2 plus 2 plus this 1. Next, square root of x squared plus 3 times x times x squared. This 2x plus 1x will become plus 3x plus 2 plus 1. Now here we have x squared plus 3x, and here we have x squared plus 3x. So we suppose that let x squared plus 3 times x is equal to m. Then this expression will become square root of m times m plus 2 plus 1. Next, square root of, now this m times m squared, and m times plus 2 plus 2 times m plus this 1. Now this expression can be written as a square root of m squared plus 2 times m times 1 plus this one is same as 1 squared. Now by using this algebraic identity, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b whole squared. This expression will become square root of m plus 1 whole squared. This square will be cancelled out with this square root, so here we are left with m plus 1. Now we replace this m with this x squared plus 3x, then this expression will become x squared plus 3 times x plus 1. Now recall that x is equal to, recall that x is equal to 96. Recall that x is equal to 96. So this expression will become 96 squared plus 3 times 96 plus 1. Next, now this 96 squared can be written as 100 minus 4 whole squared plus 3 times 96 is 288 plus 1. Next, by using this algebraic identity, a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This 100 minus 4 whole squared will become 100 squared minus 2 times 100 times 4 plus 4 squared plus this 288 plus 1 will become 289. Next, 100 square is 10,000 minus 2 times 100 200 and 200 times 4 800 plus this 4 squared is 16 plus 289. Next, 10,000 minus 800 is 9,200 plus 16 plus 289, and this is equal to 9,505. So this is the final answer of this problem.